A magnitude 5.2 earthquake hit Calbiga, Samar on Monday afternoon. According to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology, the quake occurred at 12:57 p.m. and was tectonic in origin. It had a depth of focus of 72 kilometers. The epicenter was traced southeast of Calbiga town. Instrumental intensity 5 was recorded in the city of Catbalogan in Samar, while intensity 4 was detected in Canavid in eastern Samar and Abuyog, Alangalang, Carigara, and Dulag towns in Leyte. According to PHIVOLCS, instrumental intensity is measured by an intensity meter or scale.